that video you just watched, made with one free tool, one prompt, zero editing skills. And I'll show you exactly how. This is Video Inu, and it can generate videos that are 10, 20, or 30 minutes long, all from a single prompt, character consistency that actually works, and speeds that'll make your head spin. Even better, Video Inu gives every new user 500 credits, which I've found is enough to create a fully dynamic 1-minute video. It is the first fully uncensored AI tool using Nano Banana, with even better results than Veo 3. Nano Banana makes it super easy to generate and edit images because you just need to click here, write a prompt, and ta-da, your image is adjusted accordingly. Okay, so here's the deal. Faceless channels are pulling millions of views, and now you can join them, even if you've never touched video editing in your life. Before we continue, I got a little surprise for you. We'll be giving away prizes to 5 lucky winners. Don't miss it. Click the Video Inu link below, sign up and log in to try it out, then leave a nice, honest comment about your experience plus one creative idea in the comments section. Now let's continue. Sign up with Google and get 500 free credits. That's enough for your first full video, not some basic slideshow. There are 2 options on the homepage: AI video generator and AI character generator. We're doing both because consistency matters. Character creation is stupid simple. Name it, describe it, pick a style. Already have an image? Upload it. The AI handles the rest. 4 steps. That's it. Got a script? Paste it. Don't have one? Drop your idea in Smart Script. Pick your duration, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, up to 30 minutes. The AI writes everything. 10+ languages with actually good voices. English, Hindi, Arabic, whatever you need. Then pick your style: cartoon, realistic, anime. I'm going cartoon for this demo. The AI splits your script into scenes. This is crucial. Review everything. Wrong scene? Fix it. Doesn't match your vision? Change it. Don't rush this part. Add the characters we made earlier. Simple. Now we get the storyboard. Every scene, every visual. Here's the kicker: unlimited regenerations for free. Scene doesn't look right? Regenerate it. Still not perfect? Regenerate again. Zero cost. Now if you use Nano Banana to edit images, you don't even need to prompt. Just click on what you want to change. Whether it is the character's face, figure, or camera view, just click on these buttons and choose. The basic version with images is fine, but if you want that pro look, the kind that gets millions of views, you animate the scenes. Yes, it costs more credits, but the difference is night and day. Hit animate, pick your model based on budget, select your scenes, confirm. Each generation is lightning fast, so you can test different ideas quickly. Before you hit generate, copy that video link from the URL bar. Just trust me on this one. It saved me multiple times. Choose your headers, subtitles, background settings, hit generate, wait for rendering, download. Look at that character consistency. Multiple characters, perfect throughout. Most AI tools can't handle one character properly. This nailed multiple characters without breaking a sweat. We're giving away pro accounts. Rules are simple. Subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. I will randomly select winners who comment on this video in 4 weeks from now, and you may win a pro account with Video Inu. Let's go. Video Inu is changing the game. Free trial, professional results, consistent characters. This is how you start a faceless channel in 2025. You want to create content that actually gets views? This is it. Links in the description. Go create something amazing. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more tools like this, and I'll see you in the next one.